Hi there, I'm Avie Herman of Fashionably from Babywearing, and I received this gorgeous Tula Half Buckle Baby Carrier from Little Zen One, which is an amazing baby wearing store in Toronto that ships worldwide in exchange for doing some tutorials. So today I'm going to show you how to get a baby onto your front of your body for a front carry using this baby carrier. So to start, we are going to find the waist panel right here and make sure that it's oriented like this with the interior side facing you and the panel hanging out of it. And you're going to put that right on your natural waist. I'm gonna put it on my back and bring the buckle to the front to make it easier to buckle. It goes through this little elastic loop and just clicks in, and then pull here to tighten up and bring it around. It should be sitting right at your natural waist, which is the narrowest part of your torso. Now I'm gonna go grab my baby. She is. So I'm going to put her on my chest. She's 8 months old and fits at the widest panel setting, so I don't need to do any adjusting to my panel to get it to fit her nicely. I'm going to sit her right above the waist strap and have her knees a little bit above her bum. And I'm going to take one hand to hold her, the other hand goes under the back panel and pulls it up over her back, just like so. And then I'm going to take this shoulder strap and just bring it over my shoulder, the other shoulder strap just over my shoulder, and you'll notice that the panel goes straight just to the nape of her neck. She can also have her arms out, but if she was smaller and it went higher than the nape of her neck, we would need to adjust it to make the panel a little bit shorter, which you can do with these adjuster steps right here. So I'm going to hold her with one hand, take the other hand, reach behind my back, under the close strap to the strap on the opposite side. I'm going to grab onto it and I'm going to pull out and down, bounce a little, move my shoulder a little to really get all that slack out. Now I'm going to bring it around to the front of my body and I'm going to hold it against baby's bum and hold baby's bum and the strap in the same hand because she's not supported fully by the carrier yet. I'm going to take my other hand and to reach behind my back to the strap that's left. Make sure nothing's getting twisted here and pull out and down, wiggle the shoulders a little bit. And bring that back around to the front. Now I'm going to take each one in one hand and just sort of wiggle, make sure I've really gotten all that slack out, pull down and out. And now I'm going to tie up. So you can either, depending on how much length you have left, you can either tie right on her bum, right at the cusp of where her curves, and you just tie a double knot there and you're finished and it's fully secure. I'm just gonna grab her a toy. You can clip a toy on to your carrier and then she can't drop it. Here you go. Or for a little bit more support, if you have the length for it, you can go over both legs, cross the straps under her bum, make sure nothing's getting twisted, and then take each one under her legs and bring it around to tie a double knot in the back. If your baby's fussing at all, you can bounce her, talk to her, Shush her. See if she just dropped that toy. And now we could leave it as is, or for a little bit more support, we find the bottom of these two straps and we can grab onto the top edge and just pull it up so that it's spread on your side, spread across baby's bum. That's the nice thing about this half buckle carrier, is that the straps get wider, so you can actually spread them out for a little bit more support. So we're just gonna grab the other one, find the top edge, find the bottom edge, and just pull, bounce, and spread it out as much as you'd like. And that's really all there is to it. She's on, she's comfy, I'm comfy, and we are ready to go. To get her out, you reach behind your back and untie your knot, or untie your knot in the front if that's where it was tied. Don't let go, because now your baby is not being supported completely by the carrier anymore. You uncross and then hold on to one side, let go of one, and take that hand back onto baby. Let go of the other side, bring that hand to baby. Take off the shoulder strap, reach under the fabric to hold on to baby. Drop the other shoulder strap, and now she's out. Thank you so much for watching.